Milk.
Milk, and some big ball of sugar with spoon.
Are you gonna use all that sugar?
Yeah.
That's a lot of sugar.
So we're about to do it right now, right now. I'm gonna start with the milk.
Okay. Then
Strawberries.
you wanna put the ice cream now?
But I don't know. I need spoon.
You gotta open it.
How?
You're gonna put your what? No, the whole thing. Want me to help you?
A few moments later.
I'm gonna start with the vanilla.
Vanilla ice cream. Okay.
Now I'm gonna start with the ice.
Ice. There you go.
Strawberries.
Bloop. I don't think you have to put that many strawberries.
I think so. This is nice.
Okay. Well,
Now I'm gonna add my sugar.
oh, okay.
Oh my gosh! I can't open it. I can't open it. Now I'm gonna put.
Let me help you with this. I'm gonna pour in some sugar.
Yeah, sugar is my favorite.
Okay. Are you missing an ingredient?
Yep, my ingredient banana. Can I broke it in half?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna broke it in half. Now we're gonna put this.
Uh-oh.
This.
Press the on and off button. On button. Okay. Hold on.
So I'm making it right.
I'm making smoothie.
Okay, that should be enough.
That should be enough. Now we're gonna make ice cream smoothie.
That is ice cream smoothie.
No, it's not. It's
Yes.
not freeze.
It has ice cream inside of it.
But we need to make it ice cream.
Yes.
It needs to be like an ice cream cone.
Okay. Are you ready?
We're gonna make ice cream.
Are you ready to pour it into your cups? Ooh. Yummy. Wait, one for you. One for you and one for King.
Now let's put the straws in there. Are you gonna put the straws?
Sure. Yeah.
Now I'm gonna put this. Now King's. Do it. Now I'm gonna close it. Okay. We show King.
Okay, you want to do your taste test?
Look up for me.
Delicious?
Yeah, delicious. Smoothie.
Mm-hmm.
You're the best.
Miah made it.
He did it by himself.
Mm-hmm.